Evening, sir.
Good evening.
Welcome to Buildcon Media, sir. Yes.
to you.
So basically, what message would you like to convey to your potential clients into the industry?
Actually, in our industry, there are various suppliers increasing day by day, but they are not a valid supplier and all those. But we are having every infrastructure, everything in our in-house factory, but still we are facing so much problems in the industry to communicate or to satisfy my customer regarding that we are engineers, not a Lohar type building developer that we can do only a conventional structure and all these things. We are engineers. We have integrated this PEB for a vast span and a quality product, not only just a building. We are giving you a dream project. So I can convey to my customer, please go with a trusted brand and supplier to work for your dream projects.
Good, sir. Good. So can you tell us about Ritu and Buildtech Infra and your journey into the roofing and PEB industry?
Actually, we are having our one of the factory in Haridwar, and currently for last 4 years we are also constructed a factory in Agra. For last 15 years we are working in the market and working a vast pan India abroad. We are also supplying materials abroad also. We have started our firm. Our managing director, Mr. Sumant Yadav sir, has started this work with a very clear motto that we have to integrate in the market and deal with each customer on the ground level. The major thing is after sales service that we usually our MD message is clear that we have to provide after sales service to each customer so that repeated number of orders from the same customer or mouth marketing will increase our brand value from zero up to this level. Today we are having 300 crore business. Last year we have done 300 CR projects in the one financial year. So growing in support of all of you.
Oh, good to hear this, sir. Just so what does Ritu and Buildtech Infra use to ensure the durability and efficiency in the PEB industry?
Actually, for this insurance, currently we are also dealing with IITs and top government institution also to convey that the design and the development which we are using for platform for this detailing of industrial buildings. We usually do on those trusted brands like Tata, JSW, and all these materials we are using. Apart from that, no any non-technical brand or imported material from other markets are not being used to enhance the quality product and to supply a robust structure to our customer, because this is not a single day or single time use product. If once installed, the party is going to use this building or my premises for next 50, 60, 100 years. So we have to design a building robust structure. For that we are using quality product, quality machinery tools, everything on site, everything is designed and installed for a perfect wind condition and everything.
Good, sir. Good. So, being into the industry, sir, what are the future plans for Ritu and Buildtech in terms of expansion or introducing any new technology to the industry?
Yes, currently we are working on the new scenarios also, like for the design and drafting. There are so many parameters on which we are working and with everyone is working, but still we are also working on the same that how we can increase our productivity and making our tools like designing tools, drafting tools or plant and everything for a highest production. All these things we are introducing, like for clear span buildings we are doing 60-meter span. Currently everyone is now using standing seam sheets for minimize the leakage and water logging inside the factory. So we are working on that, and everyone is working doing R&D per day to make a better infrastructure for the clients and all these.
Good, sir. Good. More focus on R&D. Good, sir. So the last question, sir, basically, what are your mission and vision, sir, towards the industry?
Actually, one of the my MD and our collective vision is that we have to enhance and exaggerate up to pan India, abroad, and everything. And we have to increase from not only for PEB. We have to something after R&D. We will go with for other designing firms and all that to give our customers under a one roof complete solution from the designing to everything, so that he cannot go from one position to other position and his mind goes in other direction. So we are designing and we are motivating our customers and everything to come on a single platform, and we will ensure to you also to have a quality building and making our industry for, like I told that just last year we have done 300 crore business. now hopefully we will do 500 crore business in coming financial year.
Yes, sir.
All the support of all
best,
of
sir,
you.
for your plans, goals. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable bites, sir.
Thanks.